Video luôn. Ui. Cái thuốc kìa, cái thuốc kìa.
And this has hit on one of the very important, significant first Chief Ministers of Manipur, Sri Moirang Koireng, and his statue as well as his property has been destroyed with the splinters from the projectile. And this is not a very ordinary attack carried out, because the missile has traveled not less than 7 kilometers from the hills, reaching this place, and this is completely out of control situation, and the central forces who are being deployed in the periphery foothills areas, taking care of the Kuki armed groups from doing any sort of aggression, is now being completely vulnerable, and they are ignorant. They couldn't take care of the security situations and
insulting the civilians. The video circulating on social media shows one commanding officer, CO, mocking an angry women group. In the footage, when the women try to say something, he leaves. The area encloses his ears with hands in a dismissive gesture, and also mocking their protest. What kind of protection does your CO have given to the people of Manipur? Is it the way to discuss and interact with the people?